Hey traders, today we're going to do some scalping. We're going to be scalping on the 5-minute time frame using a trend trading strategy that is super simple to use, easy to follow, and beginner friendly. So let's start. So the first thing we're going to need is obviously a indicator. So go inside the indicators, type in moving average, double click on it because we will need two of them. We will need 25 and 50. I love using them every time. Well, most of the time they're very profitable, especially when you're scalping. And as you can see over here, we are currently having a push exhaustion push scenario. Very likely this is gonna happen. Same thing happened over here: push exhaustion push exhaustion, right to the previous area sensitivity. We should technically get another push towards the upside to retest this zone or break this previous area level to further progress our trade towards the upside. So now we need a bullish engulfing candle as confirmation. As you can see, this is a developing bullish engulfing candle. If we do get one, we will place a trade straight away for a buy. So let's see. Okay, we got a bullish engulfing candle. Let's go to USD Japanese yen and do a 5 lot size trade. Let's buy. There we go. We placed our first trade today. We are scalping the markets. As I said, very simple strategy. 25 and 50 act as a support zone. In this case, it's a moving support zone. It doesn't have to bounce off the 25 or 50 as long as it's in between those lines and it doesn't break the 50 moving average line. It will likely act as a support area zone, and this is what we are seeing currently. As you can see, nice push towards the upside. Hopefully this continues. We also have a little downtrend developing over here. If we do break it with a bullish engulfing candle, you know, a nice push exhaustion push scenario of this area zone, very likely going to retest this previous area top. That's a very likely scenario. Let's have a look at our trade. As you can see, $45 in profit literally within minutes. So that's really awesome. $50. I'm going to keep this trade running. If we do get another pullback somewhere around here, maybe another bullish engulfing candle, I might place another trade towards the upside to continue our trading session. What I also forgot to mention is always look at the overall trend. So if we have a look at the 1 hourly time frame, is still trending towards the upside, right? It still has been trending towards the upside, as you can see, since the 16th of August. So 2 days he has been trending towards the upside, broke through the 25 and 50 moving averages. Nice push towards the upside, very likely going to retest this previous area top. That's why we're seeing this push over here on the 5-minute time frame, a nice push towards the upside. As I said, if it manages to break this little downtrend, we will see a further push towards the upside to probably retest this previous area top. And since the markets move like this, push exhaustion push scenario, this is what we are seeing. Push exhaustion, very likely a push scenario. What happens after that? Maybe another pullback. If it manages to break through with a nice push, what happens after a push? There's an exhaustion. So the candlesticks, or the bulls in this case, the buyers, are exhausted, come back down towards the previous area sensitivity. This is currently a resistance zone, but will become support zone if candlesticks break through this level and shoot towards the upside. That's the little strategy that I use, you know, for scalp. And as you can see, it's pulling back now a little bit because, as I said, there is this downtrend over here. But let's just see what happens, and I'll come back to you guys once I do something a little bit more. So as you can see, on the US dollar, Japanese yen is currently pulling back a little bit. That's okay, that's fine. We just developed another candlestick. Now a new candlestick has formed. If it's gonna, you know, go towards the downside, maybe pull back towards this area zone, I might enter for another buy-in trade because I will get a better entry opportunity, right? I will have a better entry, which will give me a better risk to reward, which in return will make me more money. So we'll see what happens. If it pulls back, as I said, I'll buy another trade. And I'm looking at also USD Swiss franc. As you can see, we had a recent bullish engulfing candle. Same scenario as well on the 1 hourly time frame. New higher high over here. This was the previous one. Very likely going to continue to shoot towards the upside, and we are currently developing another bullish engulfing candle. Now we do have some sort of resistance over here. So what I will actually do is place a trade on USD Swiss franc but I'll make it 1.5 lot size because I'm not 100% confident on this trade. And in case it does drop, I'm gonna double my investment. So let's say 3 lot size trade, and then we're gonna be trading off this moving average bounce. However, as you can see, it's currently pushing up, so we'll see if this candlestick does manage to make a new higher high. As you can see, these are the previous ones. This is a previous area of resistance. If this area of resistance is broken with a bullish engulfing candle, you can definitely be assured that we will see a push exhaustion push scenario towards the upside. But if we don't, and if we get a pullback, we're gonna double our investment and continue to push up to hopefully scalp and profit some money. Okay, as you can see, USD Swiss franc currently shooting towards the upside. USD Japanese yen very likely retesting. Hopefully it breaks through this downtrend, because currently we are on a little squeeze pattern, as you can see, but likely this squeeze will push towards the upside. That's why I believe, at least. As you can see, nicely pushing towards the upside. How's our trades doing? So $54 and $13. Obviously some broker commission, so $30, not too much. We need to wait for a few more opportunities for us to profit at least a couple of $100. So I'll come back to you guys when it moves a little bit more. Okay, so USD Japanese yen, as you can see, is trying to break this downtrend. A new candlestick has formed, trying to break it. If in these 5 minutes it does break it, that's good news. It will likely shoot towards the upside, as I said, to retest this previous area top. USD Swiss franc also shooting towards the upside with a new bullish engulfing candle. Broke through this area resistance, which is very good. A new higher high has formed, as you can see, pushing towards the upside. So let's just have a look. $104 and $42 in profit, so it equals to 108. Very nice indeed. I'll wait a little bit more and likely close off these trades. Okay, USD Swiss franc still shooting towards the upside. USD Japanese yen, a nice bullish candlestick forms. 2 minutes left until this candlestick closes. $180, 161, as you can see over here with the commission. So 166, 170. There we go. We're gonna close off this trade and I'm happy. So nearly $200 profit, $170. Pretty damn good, since I've been just trading for around 10 minutes or so. So if you would like to follow some of these signals, my team is sending them every week, 3 to 10 trades per week on our premium services and 1 trade per week on our free trading group. And that's it. This is Elders, Forex Trading Alliance. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and goodbye.